tonight, we're seeing new surveillance video from a gun store frequently targeted by thieves.
But this time, they weren't able to get away with anything.
Our Marina Silva spoke with the store's owner about the precautions he's taking, and she walks us through what the new video shows.
If you look at this security footage provided by Beech Grove Firearms, you see the moment thieves smash the glass.
We're frustrated yet again.
Greg Burke is the owner of Beech Grove Firearms. His business has seen this before, as recently as July of this year.
I would say a safe estimate is $100,000 has been spent in various monitoring systems, video systems, physical barriers. Just, again, I don't know what more we can do. And I also think it's worth pointing out, we're right next door to the Beech Grove Police Station.
In this video, the thieves are trying to throw the concrete through the front door. While they do break the glass, there's something on the other side preventing them from getting in.
And once the suspects realized they weren't able to get in through the front of the store, they came here to the back to try and get in. But they even left some footprints right on the door.
Watching in the video, you see them wearing backpack on the front. It's not generally how you wear a backpack, so I'm sure they thought that's how they would carry out their pickings. Our security systems worked. They did not breach the inner perimeter, which is always our concern. So on that side of it, it's good. But yes, we are yet again dealing with reconstruction because of somebody else's.
He says he hopes the Indiana legislature will make penalties for this harsher.
I would love for the legislators to take a look at this and we have the ability to put enhancements. This is not something new. We have laws on the books with enhancements. I think it's time. This, in my view, has become an epidemic.
Now, he's back to reconstructing and hoping thieves don't hit him again. Reporting in Beech Grove, Marina Silva, 13 News.
And the owner tells Marina that he's given the video to police in hopes of finding those 3 suspects.